Jai Hind all of you. Today we are going to learn about second chapter of class 2nd of subject EVS, that is my country. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about name of the country, national symbols and national festivals. The first thing we will learn about are name of the country. So what is the name of our country? The name of our country is India. We all belong to India and it is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country in the world. Its capital is New Delhi. Okay. Now, people in India follow different kind of religion. They spoke different languages. Okay. So this is about our India. Now, the second thing we are going to learn about our national symbols. The first national symbol is our national flag. Okay. So I am drawing here our national flag. You also draw national flag in your notebook. Okay. So this is our national flag and from here strip आ रही है. Okay, and ये बीच में in the middle we have Ashoka Chakra. Okay, now our national flag is made up of 3 colors. Okay, what are these 3 colors? On the top it has saffron and middle white and bottom green. These color symbolizes the strength, the bravery, the purity, the peace of our country. So which color stand for which thing? This is what we are going to learn. First of all, saffron stand for strength. Okay. White stand for peace. And purity. Okay. And green stand for prosperity. Okay. Saffron stand for strength. White stand for peace and purity. Green stand for prosperity. And in the middle we have Ashoka Chakra, that is of blue color. We call it Ashoka Chakra. Okay. It has 24 spokes in the middle. ये इन्हें हम spokes बोलते हैं, ठीक है? In the middle. Okay. And this Ashoka Chakra stand for constant growth. This Ashoka Chakra stand for constant growth. Okay. So this is our national flag. The second thing we are going to learn about our national anthem. National anthem. So guess what is our national anthem is? Don't mix national song Yes, you are right. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Man, and it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, and it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. This is the second national symbol. And the third national symbol is our national song. Now guess what is our national song? I am asking you about national song, not national anthem. Yes, you are right. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Okay? Vande Mataram is our national song, and it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, national song is Vande Mataram, and it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, this is the third thing. The fourth thing is our national bird. Fourth one is national bird. Now tell me, what is our national bird? Yes, you are correct. Our national bird is peacock. Now you will draw peacock in your notebook. It is very simple to draw peacock. Should I draw it? Okay, I am drawing it for you. Okay, so make two. Okay, and then this is our national bird. Draw it in your notebook also. Okay. So it is very beautiful. Our national bird is very beautiful. And what this national bird symbolizes, it stands for beauty. Okay, it shows the beauty of our country. Okay, so this is our national bird. Now, okay, so the fifth one is our national flower. Now tell me, what is our national flower? I hope you are guessing it right. That is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Okay. Now, I will draw lotus for you. So, this is lotus, and you have to draw lotus in your notebook also. Okay. So, this is lotus. Okay, this is the fifth national symbol of our country. And after that, we have our national animal also. So, our national animal is tiger. Okay, tiger is our national animal. So we have almost covered all the national symbols. Okay. Now we are going to learn about national festivals of India. So we have first national festival which we celebrate every year is Independence Day. Now tell me, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? That is on 15 August 1947. Okay. On this day, India got freedom from the British rule. Okay. As British ruled over us many years ago. So we got independence from Britishers on 15 August 1947. The second festival we celebrate is Republic Day. Republic Day. Now, when do we celebrate our Republic Day? We have already celebrated it, and you also took part in Republic Day celebration. That is on 26 January 1950. After 2 years of our independence. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? Because on this day our constitution was made. Okay, our constitution was officially announced. The third festival is Gandhi Jayanti. And Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. And we have many more national festivals like you can say Teachers Day, okay, and etc. I hope you understand about my country, and now in the next video I am going to tell you about important places around us. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.